Hi everybody, Lorraine here. Welcome. I have an 11 by 14 inch canvas covered in white paint. This is a previously used canvas, by the way. There's something kind of orange underneath, but that's okay. Can always reuse them. And I have my straw. Get out a clean one. And I have some paint. I'm going to blow some flowers. I'm going to use, this is an ultramarine. I start right in the middle. I have a Quinacridone Magenta and a Cad Yellow. And I'm just going to blow this out. Turn my canvas around. Just like that. And do a couple more small drops here. More of that yellow. Put a couple drops of emerald green near it. A little turquoise green on top of that. Just a drop. Oop. Only wanted a drop, I got two. That's alright. Okay. Okay. Do a little bit. Carry this out to the edge a tiny bit. just kind of adding a little bit to it. Kind of wanted something that was spread out wide in the center and spread out a little bit. Add a little bit more blue to these areas. Okay. A little bit more of this magenta here. Just like that. That is exactly what I was after. Just like that. To do a little bit of touch up on the sides to cover up the old canvas, old painting on the canvas. But let me lift it up. Let me give it a torch first, see if we have anything popping through. I see there's some colors popping through some of it. Soften up the edges a little. Just like that. And I'm going to call it done. There we go, guys. Thanks for visiting with me tonight. It was fun. Leave me a comment and let me know what you think. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Bye.